So I'm going to show you how to make a choice board using Google Slides. So first off, make sure you're in the Chrome browser. Go to the waffle, go to Slides, go ahead and press blank. And the first thing I like to do is I like to completely delete anything on the slide. You want a blank slide. If you would like to provide directions before you put your choice board, you could have an additional slide and just put like a video of you telling how the choice board works, or type up directions, whatever works for you. But to get the choices on there, you go to Insert, Table, and you can choose how many spaces you want on your choice board. Do you want 9? Do you want 12, 15, 20? I'm going to go with 9 for my first, for this example, just because I don't want too many options on here. Okay, and so I have my choice board set up, and I'm going to highlight it all and change the border color to black. You can choose whatever color you want, but I'm going to choose black. And I'm going to make it a little thicker so it's easier to see the different spaces. Okay, in the middle, I might say what type of choice board this is. So I'll say reading choice board. And then I might center it and boom, reading choice board. And then I might add a Bitmoji of me reading to make it just look a little bit more engaging. So there it is. And then you just shrink it down to fit that box. All right. And then boom. And then you start typing in your choices. So maybe this one is create a comic strip describing the plot of your text. Write a letter to the author of the text. So you can also add color to your choice board if you want them to work on like a specific skill. Let's say you want this to be it's writing, so let's say it's yellow because it's a writing skill. This one's creating, so let's say it is green. And then if we wanted a Flipgrid video down here, that would be speaking. Let's say that's a blue. So you could do whatever you wanted with that, or you could leave it as is and just change it. You could change it to where they're all the same color. It's really up to you. You can also add links. So let's say I wanted to add a link for them to get to Flipgrid. You would go to Insert, Link, and you could type in Flipgrid link, or you could just say click here for whatever you wanted to, and then go to Flipgrid, copy your link. Now you would have an actual link through Flipgrid, but just for now I'm just copying it to show you, and then copy, and then boom. So if you wanted to change that color so it's easier for them to see, you could change it to black. And so all they have to do is click on that and it would take it to there. So you can make this pretty interactive as well, where they can click links and go to there as well. You could also link in Google Docs, whatever you'd want. You can also add images. So let's say you want them to write a book review or reflection on a certain book that you've read in class. You could put the image of the book and then write it there so they know exactly what book you're talking about. So there are so many things you can do with choice boards. The options are really limitless. You can do this with math, with whatever content you want. There are so many great templates out there already created, so you might want to check into that as well before you go and start creating your own. But if you want something specific, this is the easiest way to do it.